Hey there, people of the world. Well, I am going to sing Payphone with helium, and it's going to sound like pretty rad-tastic. I don't have much left, but I thought I'd share it with you guys, because I'm weird like that.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you.
See?
Where's the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this, and all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. So guys, how was that? I mean, like, don't I sound, like, awesome?
Okay. So I probably got about one left, and I'm going to eat it.
Because being like this is, like, so amazing. I think it's all gone now.
Yep, it's gone. Well, I'm glad for sharing with you guys. Comment and if what I should sing or say next time when I have a balloon with helium.